Guys, we're back with another video. We got Kitty here, and this is how to abuse slash how to put a cat in her bed if she doesn't want to be in her bed. No, don't leave.
No,
don't leave.
No.
She heard the name and she. Shh, shush.
Okay.
Shush,
Video.
Shush.
Video.
Okay. Alright, so first, you take the catnip.
Yeah.
Then you take the bed.
Then you put some catnip in the bed. If Kitty, as you see, we already did. If Kitty still doesn't like her bed, wait. Okay. Pretend Kitty got out of her bed. If Kitty still didn't like her bed, what you do is take the bed and put it on top of her.
And then, you take the catnip. And you take the bed off of her. No. You take the bed off of her. And you take some, pinch, and you throw it at her. And then you put the bed on her.
And then next, you just put the catnip away and
then,
chuck it at her face.
No, and then you take her tail, and you squeeze it.
Don't squeeze her tail. No. You really done it. Put your catnip.
I don't think she was too happy.
Wait. Kitty, you forgot something.
God. She went behind the computer.
Forgot that. It was a catnip.
Oh my god. Ooh.
There's a catnip back there too.
Ooh.
Hey.
Hey.
It's mine. Ow.
Alright guys, sorry this was a short video. Our cat
No,
kinda
we
got.
can't end it now.
Yes, we can.
Oh,
Alright.
we gotta make it just us having fun now. As you can see, the cat's behind the thing, but we still wait for the bed.
Wieners!